So I got a 2013, so anywhere from 8 to 13 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're gonna remove the stereo and then we're gonna put an 12.3 Android screen system. Maybe a 14 right here. Yeah, that looked like a, yeah, that looked more than a 12. That's a 14. Customer bought this and I'm gonna be installing it. So what you're gonna need a 7mm. You're gonna need one of the pry tool right here. I call it door trim remover tool. You coming over here, actually you can start from here by pulling right here, pulling up pretty tight. It's all clipped, guys. Maybe I had to use this tool. Pry it out right there. One, you can hear that. Never have a customer waiting for you, looking at what you're doing. They think you're breaking their stuff. And then you want to come up here and hold this right there and start prying too. See? Right there. Okay, so once you got all that out like there, you can hear that noise. Whoa, I think when it back in. See how that is? And then since this radio is not going to be used again, I'm just gonna go up here and do that. And as you can see right there, see all this clip? That's what holding it right there. We're gonna need to take this out anyway, but I'm gonna put one right here since we're using none of the stereos. But if you're just installing one, you need to be careful with these right there. And then all you have to do is, there's a clip on the bottom, press it and pull it out. And this side right there, squeeze it and it should come right out. It's easy as that. Got a 7mm. Pull that all out. And take it. And now once you take it out, you can, what I should have done, I should have put it back and see if the reverse is working. Right now, right here, I got it out already. What you do, you squeeze this and then pull it out. All of them, literally the same, see, right here. The white one, squeeze, pull, squeeze, and pull with two hands. Now you do right here, you just squeeze that and pull, squeeze and pull. I'm gonna pry this out right here. This, it should come out like this. But there's a couple ways you can do this. You can, I forgot how to get this out before. I don't know, you rotate or push that down. There's a screw. Let me try one thing. Well, what I'm not gonna do is I'm not trying to get this shifter out. I'm just gonna turn the key on. Well, I need to put it on neutral so I can take the key out. See, I cannot get the key out, but I move it this much and then I'm gonna try to remove this real quick. And these, moving this out. Now you're gonna have to take those two, it's hard to see, it's in there somewhere. There's two 7mm right there, one and two right there. You can literally see it. It's hard to see, but you can see it. So once you get that out, that's annoying with that sound right here. You just pull it up right here. This thing had to come out somehow too. Might have to get that out first. Right here. Yeah, you gotta take this two 7mm one right here and unplug that and take this out and leave it alone over there for a second. And then you got another 7mm right there. I've done this about 3 or 4 years ago and I almost forgot how to do it, but this is a refreshing memories right there. Take that out and this whole piece will come straight out right there. And then there's another thing for the cigarette lighter clip. You have to take that out.